It's not awkward at all either. I'm trying to keep my voice down.
Okay, so we're going to turn the implant on. She's going to hear something. We don't really know what. May just be kind of noisy, maybe kind of staticky, but we'll just see what she says. Ready? It's going to be loud. Okay. Do you hear anything? Okay. What do you feel? What's it like?
Vibration.
Vibrations? Okay. I'm going to turn you up and up and up, and it may seem very loud, but let me know if you start actually feeling like you're hearing something, okay? So I'm just going to talk. I'm just going to keep talking.
What's that?
See if you notice anything with my voice. Doing okay? Okay. It's loud? Yeah. Is it more like a feeling? Both? You're starting to hear something? I'm going to keep going up, okay? Okay.
Oh.
Until it gets to where you just can't stand it, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. What are you getting? What?
Oh, God.
What is it like?
Yeah.
That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Feel it? Okay. Okay. That's good. When I talk, like my voice, you hear something? Okay, good.
Oh, so awesome. Oh my goodness.
Can you still hear my voice? Good. Good. Okay. That's okay. You're doing great. You're doing great. Okay. Dad, talk.
Talk to her, Daddy.
Amy, can you hear me? Can you hear my voice?
You want more? Okay.
Can you hear my voice? My voice? Can you hear it?
I thought you were on the phone.
From before? You know, before? What's it
Anna,
now?
quiet.
So different, do you? Yeah.
Blake.
What do I sound like? You're confused? Yeah. Yeah.
Is it
Does it sound funny? Like how? Can't explain.
What about Blake?
Can you hear Blake's voice? Yeah,
Go talk to her. Go say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Talk a little louder.
Hi, Mom.
You have to talk really loud.
Hi, Mom. Good.
Oh.
You could probably give her a hug. But
Now your voice sounds different.
really?
Yeah. Yes.
Hey, like, go give her a hug.
Can you hear your
Okay.
voice? You can? Okay. That's okay.
Cool?
Mommy.
Yeah. Not the same as your hearing aid. Way different. That's good.
Is it better?
Better,
Better?
clear, very clear. Not the same. Wow.
I'm going to turn it
Is it
off
on
for just
for
a minute,
her?
okay?
Turn off.
Is it on for them?
Yeah, it's shown. Emma, can you
That's
hear?
really good.
Go off.
Yes.
Can I get really loud? I want to get Blake. I can't get him.
Okay, you're back on. Like, do you hear that? Just a little bit? Okay, that's good. My voice, is it soft or loud or in the middle? Okay, that's good. Okay.